Like we've seen the marathon records being broken and all sorts of other similar records being broken largely by footwear technology. So
Hmm.
there's a real interest in pushing forward this technology. The standard process for producing footwear is to come up with an idea, physically fabricate it, and test it. Okay, so this is certainly a good way of getting information about geometry and material. However, it's very slow. So teams will spend months in these prototyping cycles trying to iterate and find the best performing shoe. But in fact, it's not an exhaustive search because that is just such a time consuming process. So, what we help with here is taking a broad sweep of geometry, taking a material palette, that's potentially specific to that manufacturer, and then
Hmm.
helping them scale up their experiments. So, really simply, all we do is replicate their physical tests
Hmm.
digitally and then radically scale them up so that they can simply get so much more information than they would through a physical or manual process.
That makes
So,
total sense.
yeah, and that is, you could imagine this same process working in a more healthcare related field where you're trying to really provide some level of cushioning and you want to make sure that you're achieving exactly the right response to force depending on the application. But often we see the same combination of geometry and material. You want to vary both of them systematically so that you can understand how your part performs.
Hmm. Yeah, I mean, I can see this can definitely translate not just in the shoe industry, but all kinds of other wearables or prosthetics.